Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today, I have a multi-purpose spray from Harbor Freight. It cost me $6. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it, see what it comes with, and we'll see if it's good enough for auto detailing. I'm thinking it's not, but let's check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and cut it open. It's a half-gallon size, multi-purpose sprayer. That's what it looks like unscrewed. Pretty thick plastic, feels pretty durable actually. Got your trigger, it also locks. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some all-purpose cleaner, and we'll see how it foams up, and let's go ahead and test it on the car. Got your manual. There's one more thing in here. And that water that you saw before coming out of it, they actually put a note in the box saying that's from testing. Alright, let's go ahead and fill it up with some cleaner, dilute it with some water, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with 2 ounces of all-purpose cleaner and finish it off with 20 ounces of water. So I'm gonna do a 10-to-1 ratio. The measurements come in milliliters, so you just have to convert it and see how much it is in ounces. Got my cleaner right here. So I'm going to put it back together and we'll test it out on some wheels and tires. Of course, before we start spraying, we got to pump it up. One thing I noticed is that when you pump it up, it's really loose, it's flimsy, and of course cheap plastic, but it's only $6. Still going after about 30 seconds. The locking mechanism works pretty well. Right out the box, testing this works really well, especially for $6. I'm not sure how it would perform over extended use. I've never tried any other pumps to really compare and see what's the difference between them. I'd say go ahead, buy it if you want to try it out. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more future videos. Thanks for watching.